If your iPad comes up with a message saying it needs to cool down, it simply means it's got too warm and is protecting itself. This usually happens when you're doing something heavy like video editing, charging at the same time, or if it's been left in direct sunlight. And if you're finding this useful, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Now, the fix is quite straightforward. First thing, stop using the iPad for a few minutes and let it rest. If it's on charge, unplug it because charging can add extra heat. Then move it somewhere cooler, out of direct sunlight or away from anything warm. Just normal room temperature is fine. You don't need to do anything extreme. It's important not to try and cool it too quickly, like putting it in a fridge or near anything very cold, because that can cause condensation inside. In most cases, once it cools down, everything will return to normal and you can carry on using it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.